Hey guys, how's it going? So today is that time of year again, time to start all my lawn equipment, mowers, trimmers, chainsaw, and the blowers. So yeah, definitely have a lot more stuff than I did back in 2019 when I made my first video. So yeah, let's get started here. Alright guys, I just noticed on this Homelite here the fuel lines are broken. They weren't like that last year. I'm not sure what happened, but yeah, both of them are broken. So that's gonna need to be fixed, so we can't start that today. So let's start the Ryobi now. So this is a 2004 Ryobi CS30 with a 30cc engine. So switch is already on. Put it on choke. Give it some primes. If it will prime. That's not good. Huh. It's not priming. That's a problem. Alright, this thing probably won't start. So I just knocked over my tripod. That's nice. Sorry about this crappy video. It's already starting out horribly. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Yeah, that should work. Alright. Yeah, it's not starting or priming. Well, that's awesome. All right. Anyway, let's see what it does. Anyway, probably won't start, or maybe it will. Or come on. Started for a little bit there. Yeah, it's not going to start. Or prime. It's trying. Considering it's got no primer, it's still going. Trying. Come on. Hang on. Let me try something. Got some starter fluid here. Let's try that. Okay, give that a go. See. Hey, not bad. It tried. It's trying. Alright, let's try some more. Oh well, good enough for me. So the next one we're going to start is the 2011 Toro 51936. This was my very first trimmer that started my lawn business back almost 6 years ago. It has a 25cc engine, so turn it on, choke, give it some primes. Wow, this slowest primer ever. There we go, just got some gas, I think. Yeah, there we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go with 8 primes, as it says here. Prime 8 times. So that's exactly what I just did. So let's hope that this trimmer here doesn't let me down like those two have so far. So just put the camera right here. There you go. Yeah, let's go. Squeeze the throttle. There we go. And now that cutting shield does not like to stay on there. So let's give it some more. Wow, look at that. Smoking a little bit because I did fog the engine in the winter time. Alright, let's give it some more revs. Yeah, like it has a bad trimmer head, so that's why it kind of sounds like that. Alright, awesome. Not too bad. Alright, next. So the next one we're going to start is this 2010 Homelite 26 CS with a 26cc engine, and that is model right here. UT 32600. And now this one here has a little issue. I can only hold the throttle down. Second I let off of the throttle, it dies. So I'll demonstrate that. Okay, so choke, give it some primes. Okay, good enough. If I can get this camera in the tripod, there we go. Move it there. Alright, let's go. See what you can do, Homelite. Come on, you can do it. Oh well. Good enough. Yep. That's 3 trimmers that need repair. Alright, next. Alright, next one we're going to start is the 2019 Echo SRM225 straight shaft trimmer with the 21.2cc engine. Now, this is Echo's entry-level trimmer that you can get for $219, or sometimes you can get these on sale for $199. So yeah, these are definitely really good trimmers. I mean, this one here has been really reliable for me. So yeah, and a lot more reliable than those things over there. But hey, it's a better engine, so what do you expect? Anyway, let's give it a start. Turn it on. Choke. Give it some primes. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that should be good enough. And now this unit does come equipped with Echo's i30 recoil starter, so it requires 30% less effort to hold the engine over, as I will demonstrate now. Look at that. Awesome. Now I'll demonstrate that i30 recoil starter, so here we go. Do that one more time. Awesome. Last trimmer. Okay, got some gas in there. Okay, so this is a 2017 Stihl FS56R CE. So basically, this is the homeowner version of the FS70. It has a 27cc stratocharged engine. So, oh, and it also comes equipped with semi-automatic choke, so just depress the throttle, automatically goes back to the run position. So choke it, give it some primes. Okay, got some gas in there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And it's camera up. And now, very similar to the Echo, it has the Stihl's easy to start system, so it's pretty similar. It promotes easy starting, so I'll demonstrate that now. See how easy that is? So one little problem with this trimmer is it does vibrate a lot, as it has flex cable shaft, which I'll demonstrate here. Yeah, you can kind of see the guard moving back and forth. Alright, not too bad. Awesome. Great trimmer. Let's see, my neighbor across the street over there actually has the exact same trimmer, which is pretty cool. These are definitely great trimmers. Alright, now for the chainsaw. Okay, get some gas in there. I can get this cap on. There we go. And got a little bit of bar oil in there. I don't know if you can see it. No, you probably can't. There's a little bit in there. It's enough to start, but I won't be cutting anything right now, so. But when I do, I'll fill it up. Anyway, this is a 1991 Stihl 018C chainsaw with a 32cc engine. See right. You probably can't. Yeah, 30cc. It says it right there. Anyway, and I don't think I had that cap correctly on. Hang on. Kind of hard to do this. Try that. Oh, crap. Shit. Anyway, but this saw also has a 14-inch bar on it. It has Stihl's Roll-O-Matic bar and chain. Very nice. Actually a really nice little saw. It's not the most powerful thing in the world, but hey, it gets the job done for what I do. And that is the occasional tree trimming, like on these here, which you can see here. I actually did that last fall, right up there. Anyway, so I guess let's give this a quick start. Okay, so the way that this works is there's no primer. So basically, you squeeze the throttle, move this all the way back, put it on choke, pull it till it starts, and then put it on half choke, pull again till it starts, and then once it starts, put it on run, and then to shut it off, you just do that. Kind of a strange design. I'm not sure why Stihl decided to do that, but they still do this on a lot of their new saws too. Anyway, so chain brake on, choke, and put the camera down on the tripod like this. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Okay, and now whenever you're starting a chainsaw, always have it on the ground. Put your foot here like this and hold the handle like that. Do not do this, you know, like a drop start kind of thing. Do not do that with the chainsaw. Always hold it firmly with your foot and have your hand here on the handle holding it down secure. Okay, here we go. Oh, tried to fire. Now we're on half choke. Awesome. Not a bad saw. Now for the blowers. Alright, so the first blower we're going to start is the 2008 Stihl BG55 with the 27cc 2-stroke engine. So I just put some gas in it. So just close that up. That. Okay, turn it on. Put it on choke. Give it some primes for a good time. Okay, just get some gas in there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go with 7 primes. Get the tripod all set up. And now this has been sitting since the fall. Pretty much most of these have been sitting since the fall. Alright, let's see what this does. Not bad. Let it warm up for a little while. It is pretty cold. Alright, not too bad. Next. Alright, next one we're going to start is my 2016 Echo PB250 LN with the 25.4 cc engine. And as you can see there, it was built in June of 2016. So let's see how well this one will start. Turn it on, choke, give it some primes. There you go, just got some gas in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah, let's see how well this one starts. Whoa. Alright, awesome. Now it's time to start the backpacks. Alright, so here is the 2011 Echo PB265l backpack blower. Has the same 25.4 cc engine as the PB250 over there, except basically this is in a backpack. So let's see how well this starts. Turn it on, choke, give it some primes. Okay, one. Alright, let's see how well this starts. Alright, last one. Alright, last one. The 2014 Echo PB500T backpack blower. This has a 50.8 cc engine, and it was built in August of 2014, as you can see there. Just used this last week, actually. So, let's see how well this starts. Turn it on. Choke. Give it some primes. Okay. Bring that in a little bit. Let's see how well this starts. Alright, so that was it. So pretty much everything is running great with the exception of those 3 trimmers over there, but everything else is working just fine. So I'd say we're gonna have a good season this year. So now part 2 will be the lawnmowers, so stay tuned for that. And hopefully next few weeks the grass will start growing and we can start shooting some lawn cutting videos. That would be awesome. Alright, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.